Hey, welcome back. Today in this video, I will share with you that how most of the time the institutions or the hedge fund managers they grab the liquidity, and most of the time our stop loss get hunt by the markets. But by the way, do you know that what is the life of a retail trader or day trader? According to the market maker or institutions, they said that the life of a retail traders or day trader is just 45 days, because in these 45 days most of the retail traders they lose 80% of their money. And how these things happens, I can say that even there is a lot of people in the market, they are even doing trading from the last 1 year 2 years, but of course all of them they are just coming into the market, and we are just go to the YouTube, and from there from the YouTube we are just learning the things which are like indicators. Especially we start learning, and we start learning the price action, we start learning from that things. And most of the time the thing is that retail traders are losing their money is just because of these traps which are already in the market. There's a lot of people who just come join this market, and after that they go towards the forex gurus, they learn from the YouTubes, and what will happen at the end of the day, they lose their money. What does it mean? Does it means that those people who are teaching them not teaching them the right way, or the other thing is that all those traps or the indicators which they are following are not working fine? Here the thing is that all those traps are actually for those retail traders already into the markets by institutions or hedge fund managers. If it is like this, that everyone comes into the market, new person comes into the market, they learn from the YouTubes, they will learn that how the indicators are working, how the market is following the indicators. Then I think that why a lot of retail traders losing their money. They don't need to lose their money, because in the market those indicators are working so well. But the thing is not like this, because most of the time we as a retail traders we are losing our money because we are following these indicators. And as I already shared that these indicators are just like a trap, and a lot of traders 90% traders are stuck into these indicators. So here I have a chart. I will share with you in this chart that how the market traps with us in these indicators. This is like the support and resistance lines. When we trade in the support and resistance, we see that the market touches the third time. When the market touches the two times, and in the third time we have to take the trade. This is like the rule of the support and resistance. So here in this first line you can see the market touches this point the first time, this resistance, and here the second time. Of course we will plan it, the retail traders will see that when it touches third time they will go with the market. And here when you put the trade, what happens, see, the market goes up. After that it takes all your stop loss here, and what happens here, of course the retail traders lose their money. Here I have some more examples at this page. You can see that this is also one more example. Market touches this point first, second point, and we'll see that this is the resistance of the market. And when the third time the retail traders plans to come into the market goes up again. Here this is the third example of support and resistance. You can see here the market touches this line, this resistance first time, second time, and the third time market again goes down. What do you think, that is this a coincidence, or like how this thing is happening? And this is the same pattern market follows when the market goes in the trend line. This is the support and resistance which I shared with you, support lines. And if you go to the trend lines, the trend lines rule is like when the market touches that trend's third time, at the fourth time we took the trade. So here in this trend you can see that the market comes here, touches it first time, second time, third time, and when the fourth time we plan to take the market from here, from this point, market goes down, it touches our stop loss. So as I already shared that these are all the traps from the in the markets, because if the markets will work according to these indicators, then why everyone is not earning? Why most of the time we as a retail traders we are losing our money? Here again you can see in this part, like the first time market touches this part, second time, third time it is losing from that point where we have to take the trade. So in this video, as I already shared in my last previous videos, that we have to unlearn all that previous things which we are learning, that the support and resistance, trend lines, actually these are the parts from where the institutions know that from where the retail traders will come into the market. So we have to learn that how the institutions or how the hedge fund managers, they are doing the trade. Of course, if we will follow their footprints, or we will see that how they are doing the trade, we will start learning the way they are doing the trade. I'm sure then after that we can also say that yeah, we are a successful trader now. But the first thing is that we have to unlearn all these things if we really want to be a successful trader. I hope that you will relate with my this video, because in the market 90% people are following these indicators, support and resistance, trend lines, they are following. We have to unlearn all these things if you want to grow and you want to be a successful trader. I hope you will like my video. In my next videos, I will share with you that how you can also be worked like institutions or hedge fund managers. Thank you so much.